Are you ready to deck the halls and make your home shine this holiday season? Look no further than True Blue Cleaning Services. This holiday season, let us take the stress out of your holiday preparations with our one-time holiday cleanups. Our team of dedicated professionals will transform your home into a sparkling winter wonderland, leaving no corner untouched. From top to bottom, we've got you covered. And that's not all. If you want your home to stay in tip-top shape all year round, we also offer amazing monthly cleaning options. Experience the joy of coming home to a spotless space every day, not just during the holidays. Ready to learn more? Call us now at 786 499 9389 and let us sprinkle some holiday magic into your home. True Blue Cleaning Services, where cleanliness meets celebration. Book your holiday cleanup or monthly cleaning today. True Blue Cleaning Services, your partner in making your home truly sparkle. Terms and conditions apply. Monthly options subject to availability. Call 786 499 9389 for more information.